Good morning. We're at the first job of the day. And we're already getting stared at and getting beat down by the mailman. So you better hurry up. And we don't have a whole lot of time left, man. It's like, I don't even know what time it is, but it's that time and we're getting started right now. Let's go. All right, remove everything in here except for the azaleas and the lilies. We're gonna be putting down fresh mulch, fresh black mulch. This is gonna be trimmed down to the level with the railing. Pull out these things. This here, this whole corner is getting ripped out. As well as we're gonna be doing edging for all the beds. Burning bush here, we're going to just lightly trim it off just to give it a nice little shape to it, get it off the house, and then trench it, mulch it, trench it. We're gonna be putting down some weed barrier fabric, some prune, fresh mulch, as well as removing this, removing that, keeping this, remove all this stuff that's growing back there. Same with this section here. It's all getting removed, except for the bishop's hats, and the crepe myrtles are gonna stay. Clean out the inside of these. Something's growing in there. As well as trench it out a little bit, put the mulch. Remove that, keep the lilies and the shepherd hat. We'll work on that side in a minute. As far as back here, we've got this willow here. It's getting suffocated by these vines. I'm sure we have some poison ivy up in there. In some beautiful places, probably. I don't really see it. This is growing out there. Probably take that whole thing out. Growing out the side. Remove this one as well. Remove this birch. Goes up to right there. All the way down. Just growing out the sides. Everything's getting removed. I mean everything. Except for the I can't remember the name of them again. Where these are staying. Ferns and these weeds. Everything's getting ripped out. Trenched, mulched. Ripped out, trenched, mulched. Ripped out, trenched, mulched, except for this grass right here. This can stay. This can go. All this stuff here, it's getting removed except for that. That's staying. One more next to it is staying. The rest of it, take it out. Trench it, mulch it. Came over here, pulling out the bush, the weeds. Trim up this bad boy. Just a quick one over. Come back and touch it all up.